I was inspired by a photo I saw once of two women with their backs connected, and I decided to use it as a starting point for my painting. I've played around with different ideas and different color combinations. I've added some wings and a bird on the left, as if these wings are sprouting from their chest and the bird is coming out of the chest of another woman. I've played around a lot with shapes and colors, and when I start with my work, I never commit to the end result. I let it kind of develop. Here you see how I've given up on all the color that I was working on earlier and decided to go more monochromatic, as well as playing with different monochromatic combination. And here I've completely obliterated them all together and decided to extend the flower down and just keep the wings and the bird and the flower, and develop that idea as well. So here I'm just going through the process of rendering. It's an example of how you can start with one idea and end up with something totally different. In this case, I have two completely different pieces at the end of this. The one with the women, which is a photo composite with painting as well, and the one that you see developing in front of you now.